Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a PTT Holland, and this is the initial checkout of this telephone, and this is Chris's telephone from Ohio. And it's a pretty cool telephone. These PTT Hollands are really cool, and it's got the 4-prong plug. And he's got a note here with this telephone that it doesn't have any bells in it, and basically just kind of talks about the telephone a little bit. And he's missing his number card here, and we're going to kind of check out this telephone a little bit. I have it apart, and I'm going to pull the cover off here and show you. But something else I noticed is, because see how that rotary's acting? Doesn't want to return properly. So that's got to be looked at. And I've also noticed there's a problem. I did a little bit of checking before we did the video. In this cord here, there's some problems that are going to have to be looked at. It's not getting a connection there either. And so this kind of gives you a little bit of a look at the telephone. And like I said, these are really nice telephones. I'm going to go ahead and pull the cover of this telephone off so you can kind of get a look at the inside. Now, there's also a diagram in a lot of these PTTs, and as you can see right there, give you a little look at that, hoping the video's picking that up. So, anyway, someone has taken the bells out, and, you know, I never understood. You know, we get telephones in, and, you know, a lot of times there'll be pieces missing. And it's like, you know, taking the screen out of your TV and setting it in the closet and it not getting put back with the TV. It's just odd that people take things off of these telephones. I mean, why in the world would they want a set of bells? It just doesn't make any sense. And why they wouldn't put them back with the telephone and just keep them together, because obviously this telephone had quite a few problems. The bell doesn't work, and there's just a lot of little issues with this telephone that have to be squared away, and that kind of gives you a little bit of a look. Now the line cord's going to have to be changed naturally, and this 4-prong plug, he wants to be able to plug it in, it sounds to me like, in a regular jack so that he can use the telephone. So really what we have to do is go through this telephone and find out all the little issues that we're having a problem with, and whether he wants a set of bells put in here that'll work, or if he wants original equipment. And naturally, if he wants original equipment, we'll have to search down these bells. We might have something that'll fit it, that'll mimic pretty much, you know, the old bell. The bells in here were pretty large. Just you can see the distance here between the post that they set on, and you know, we may be able to do something like kind of lift this bell up a little higher and get a different set of bells in here. But it all depends on what he wants as the customer, and we'll kind of go from there and talk to him about it. But this shows you the initial checkout of this telephone, and it has a few issues. We'll work them out. We'll get this telephone back into working condition for Chris, and he'll be happy with this telephone because it's a cool telephone. And although you see these once in a while, you don't see a ton of them. And basically it says right here, made in Holland. So they're a pretty stylish telephone. And I've always liked these PTT Hollands. They're just a really cool phone. And they make for a nice telephone when they're finished up. So this gives you a look at it, and we'll try to do some other videos of this telephone as we move forward in the repair. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.